before you find any real major support on the US crude oil. However, could it form some sort of support around this area? Maybe. So it could form some sort of consolidation and then try and retest this 75. It needs.
Before we get started, just a quick disclaimer. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything shared in this video is based on personal opinion, research, and experience. So please do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Investing involves risk, and you could lose money. By watching this video, you agree that you are responsible for your own financial choices. With that said, let's get into the video.
Welcome back to Bull and Bear Hunter. Today we are having a look at the oil US crude. We are going to have a look at where it's been and where it could be potentially be heading over the coming few days. Okay, so we're starting off by the long-term view. So this is the monthly. As you can see, over the month so far, we are down. We've been down in May, and we are currently down in June. Okay, so let's go into the daily. So we had this megaphone line that we put into this chart. As we can see, what's happened here is we've been up, been down, up, down, and we've gone below it. Okay, so we've broken below it, we've confirmed. We had a lower pivotal point right here, which we looked like it was going to hold, but again, it's broken down and it's broken below, and we've gone to the second pivotal point right here. Again, we formed a little bit of support, bounce, and now we are down. If you look at the breakout point, which is around the 67, I suspect we could be heading back to 67 before you find any real major support on the US crude oil. However, could it form some sort of support around this area? Maybe. So it could form some sort of consolidation and then try and retest this 75. It needs to try and get above it. If we can get above it, then we could be looking at the 79. And if we can get above that, then the highest I can see is 86. So for now, this area is where it's consolidating. It can potentially go as low as 69 and then attack and then drop to 67. So let's just draw a line across here that I can see. Let's just see what we can find here, what's happened. Okay, so by drawing this line here, I can see where it's had loads of bounce before the big upward run. You can see it's come back in and it's now broken this line to the lower part as well. So this area here will form a bit of resistance, so around the 76 will be quite difficult for it to get through, but if you can get through, then we can head a little bit higher. All right, so let's go into the 1 hour. So as we can see on the 1 hour, so this is the line, that trend I just drew in, and that's the second pivotal support line that was put in at 75. As you can see, we've come in, tried to consolidate, even had a bounce up to 79, which is that second pivotal area that I mentioned. You can see it almost touched it and backed away. Okay, so I suspect that we could possibly go back to the 75. If we get to 75, we're going to have a lot of resistance. Can it get above it? We'll have to wait and see. If it gets above it, then we know the next target area is 79. Okay, so let's go into the 10 minutes. Again, closer look. So as of today, we traded as low as 72, and we've bounced to just under 74. Okay, so we did hit 74, it's backed away. Gonna get a bit higher, we'll have to wait and see. It's got a lot of resistance around that 74, so maybe we can get to it, trade around here, and then make its way higher. Okay, that will conclude the chart of US crude oil for today. So if you like what you are watching, if you can like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification so you can be notified of our latest videos. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.